Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see how we can address the one error code in Minecraft. There are a few methods you can try. Begin by launching the SourceForge Minecraft launcher. For newer versions, locate the three dots and select Repair Installation. For older versions, find the Repair option. If the first step doesn't work, press the Windows key +R simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Enter /stau appdata% and click OK. In the Roaming folder, locate and open the Minecraft folder. Within the Versions folder, remove all listed versions and also clear out the Mods folder. Return to the launcher and reinstall the desired versions. Should the problem persist, it might be necessary to reinstall Java. Open Google and Serach for Java download, then proceed to the official Java website. Download the latest version and install it. If the issue continues, consider changing your Minecraft launcher or re-downloading the existing one. Sometimes, this step can help resolve persistent problems. By following these methods, you should be able to effectively deal with the one error code in Minecraft and enjoy a smoother gameplay experience. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.